Hello everyone, I'm Vani from 2nd BTech AML. I'm here to explain the key concepts in JavaScript. Here are the key concepts: variables, arrays, functions, loops, objects. Here is the clear explanation. Uh, Variables in JavaScript. Variables are the containers to store and hold the data values. We declare variables by using let constant var. Here is the sample code. Let name is equal to Suresh. This declares a variable called name and assigns it the value Suresh. The let keyword allows you to declare a variable and that can change later. Let age is equal to 20. This declares another variable called age and assigns it the value 21. Console.log name. This prints the string name followed by the value of the name variable to the console. The output will be the name Suresh and age 21. Arrays in JavaScript. An array is a collection but that can handle multiple values of different types in an ordered list. Here is the sample code. Let fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. This declares an array called fruits containing 3 string values: apple, banana and mango. Console.log fruits. This prints the string followed by the array content. The next line is arrays are zero indexed, meaning the first element is at index 0. This prints first fruit followed by the first item in the array, which is apple. Here is the output: fruit, first fruit, apple. Functions in JavaScript. A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Here is the sample code. A function greet person. This defines a function named greet that takes one's argument, person name. Return hello. This return string hello concatenated with the value of person name and an exclamation mark. Next line declares a variable name and assign it the value Suresh. The fourth line describes this calls the greet function, passing the value of name as an argument. The result hello Suresh is stored in greeting message. The last line shows us the value of greeting message to the console, which is hello Suresh. Next concept in JavaScript is loops. A loop allows you to execute block of code repeatedly as long as condition is true. There are 3 types: for loop, while loop, do while loop. For loop repeats the code a specific number of times. While loop repeats the code as long as a condition is true. Do while loop similar to the while loop, but it always runs the code at least once. Here are the sample codes with the outputs. Let numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This declares an array numbers with values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For let I is equal to 0, I less than numbers dot length I plus plus. This initiates a for loop where I starts at 0. The loop will run as long as I is less than numbers dot length. Inside the loop, this prints the value of the I element of the numbers array. The loop runs 5 times, printing each number in the array. Here is the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next while loop. Here is the sample code. Let I is equal to 1. This declares a variable I and initializes it to 1. While I less than equal to 5. This begins a while loop that returns as long as I is less than or equal to 5. This prints the value I to the console. I plus plus. After each iteration, I is incremented by 1. Here is the output. Do while. A do while loop ensures that the code inside the loop runs at least once, even if the code is false initially. Here is the sample code. This declares a variable j and sets it to 1. this starts the do block. While j less than equal to 5, this checks if j is less than or equal to 5. If true, the loop runs again. Here is the output 1 2 3 4 5. Objects in JavaScript. An object is a collection of properties, and a property is an association between a name and a value. And now here is the sample code. Let person, this defines an object person with properties first name last name is. Here is the output. Hello, my name is Suresh. Thank you everyone.